Hey, now it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services. And before we start this video, go ahead and join the New Wave Facebook group. The link is in the description and in the comment section. This is a simple interior detail with an exterior wash. The interior includes a complete wipe down, vacuum, door jambs clean, and windows. The exterior includes an exterior foam wash, fender wells clean, tires and wheels clean and dressed. Keep it simple. In mobile auto detailing, I think we all should live by this motto. Sometimes we fool ourselves by overcomplicating things. For the most part, we are just cleaning cars. It's simple. Get rid of the clutter and dirt. Usually, that is what most customers want. If you can clean, then you will make money. In my experience, most customers want general cleaning. Don't get me wrong, with a little persuading, you can get them to get their headlights restored, some marring and swirls removed, or maybe a ceramic coating. I'm willing to bet the bulk of your jobs will be basic, simple cleaning. You know, vacuuming, wiping dirt off the dash, cleaning windows, scrubbing wheels and tires. You've already experienced from cleaning your own car. Some of the vehicles will be dirtier than what you're accustomed to, but after a few of those, you will get the hang of it. Just don't forget to charge more. New tools and equipment are always nice, but just make sure you can afford them. Some detailers, especially on social media, will make you feel like you're not official if you don't have the latest tools. Don't worry, your customers will make you feel official enough when they pay you. To be honest, customers don't care about the equipment. They just want a clean ride. While you're keeping their cars clean, make sure you're sharpening your skills in polishing, ceramic coating, and headlight restoration. These will be your high-ticket jobs. Also try all forms of advertising. Never rely just on one. None of what you see in this video will be possible without advertising. Whether it's word of mouth, passing out flyers, or social media, advertising gets you customers. No customers, no business. It's just that simple. It's not as easy as it sounds. It takes work. If you like these videos, please feel free to donate to the channel. Your donations will allow me to continue to make more videos like these. Thanks for the support thus far. Now let's get back to it. Many of us drop the ball in advertising. We don't want to pay, nor do we want to do it ourselves. One or two posts periodically on social media will compound over time. You also have to be creative with your advertising. Your post must stand out among the rest to get noticed. Being seen working works every time. It never fails. If your business is slow, do some free details. Just be seen working and watch how many people walk up to you inquiring about your business. Just be ready to hand out business cards. Listen up. Please, don't jump into detailing for the money. I promise you your success will be short-lived. Detailing ain't hard, but the hardest part is to stay consistent under different conditions. If your good work is consistent, then you will gain consistent customers. I take care of my consistent customers. This particular detail isn't offered on my website, and I don't advertise it. It's specifically for long-time repeat customers. This detail only cost $155, and I completed it in 1 hour and 30 minutes. Their vehicles are always maintained by yours truly, so they're never trash. Plus, being seen constantly in their neighborhood brings you more customers over time. You will build mutual trust between you and the customer. And if the customers trust you, so will their neighbor. And as time goes on, some of you will build relationships with your customers. Cherish those relationships because one day soon, they can be part of your network. Your customers come from all walks of life and professions. It's a great chance that they can assist you in your future endeavors. Show them respect by being on time and being honest. Respect will take you a long way. When you disrespect someone, they'll never forget it. See, you may be successful today, but tomorrow things could turn bad. And on your way down, you may have to pass that person you disrespected. Yep. You burnt that bridge, so you can't cross it. Make sure your personal life is in order. Make sure you have a good, loving relationship with your family members. Because if you don't, it will affect your business. Relationships are important. And if you don't believe me, just get older and you'll see no one will take care of you like family. Don't handle disrespect with disrespect. Just sever ties. Just simply walk away. The universe has a special way of dealing with disrespectful people. You don't want to be one of them, and don't think it's your fault you're being disrespected. Disrespectful people disrespect everyone, so don't take it personal. Some won't treat you with blatant disrespect. It will be in their actions. Stand firm and don't allow it. They can only do what you allow them to. Okay, I got 2 quotes for you. Rudeness is the weak man's imitation of strength. And when you tolerate disrespectful people, you disrespect yourself. So stay on the up and up. Do what you want to do. It's okay to be inspired by other detailers, but use the inspiration and follow your own path. No one can be a better you than you. No one can beat you at being you. Thanks for watching, and shouts out to the new wave. Peace.